What's that?
Snoring affects many individuals, disrupting sleep quality for both the person snoring and their partners. Fortunately, various solutions, known as snore stoppers, are available to address this issue. What are snore stoppers? Snore stoppers are devices designed to reduce or eliminate snoring during sleep. They work by improving airflow, adjusting jaw positioning, or supporting throat muscles to prevent airway obstruction. Types of snore stoppers. Several types of snore stoppers are available. Chin straps. These support the jaw to keep the mouth closed during sleep, promoting nasal breathing. Nasal clips and strips. Devices that open nasal passages to enhance airflow. Mouthpieces, also known as mandibular advancement devices, they reposition the lower jaw to keep the airway open. The effectiveness of snore stoppers varies based on individual snoring patterns. Lifestyle changes, such as adjusting sleep positions and weight management, can also play a significant role in reducing snoring. It's essential to choose a solution that aligns with personal comfort and addresses the underlying cause of snoring. Snore stoppers offer viable options for those seeking to improve their sleep quality and reduce nighttime disruptions. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized recommendations tailored to individual needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more contents. And to get your snore stopper, click the link attached to this video down below by EE.